Case number 551. The state versus Kejriwal. So this is your case copy.
Yes.
And the opposition copy. Now you can start.
So, when the Kejriwal party came in Delhi, so he promised.
Listen, it's your first time in court.
Sir.
Are you new?
Yes, sir.
So firstly, you should start to call me my lord.
Okay, my lord.
Yeah. Don't repeat it.
Sorry, my lord.
It's okay.
My lord, when Kejriwal party, all of the party came in Delhi, so he too much promised to Delhi innocent society, innocent people. They promised we give you free water, neat and clean water. We give you good health, and we make a lake in Delhi. Yes, he make a lake. He make a too much lake in Delhi when the rain happened. So the every street, every main road fulfilled with water. It's only one promise he complete. So it's my point of view. He gave a fake promises to the Delhi people. Thank you, my lord.
Okay, according to my lord, like as we see that the condition of Kejriwal, they are just doing a welfare for a people, just like in the favor of agriculture. They are just putting a more money in agriculture. As we see that the condition of the poor peoples, they are also fulfilling them for their money, and they are also fulfilling their needs that they want. They are also doing a more things for a people that they want, just like a poor people. They are getting a food, they are getting a water, they are getting a air. That's a basic need that they are providing for us. But as we see that the condition of Kejriwal, it's a good because of it's a welfare for our people, and but we are talking about like a rich peoples. They are already developed, so that's why we are just focusing on a poor peoples. That's my point.
So, my lord, my point of view, our opinion said to like Kejriwal developed the poor people. He talked about the only water. Which kind of water? I said water is not too much clean. And he talked about the air. Everyone know what the condition of air, Delhi air. So this type of facility, Kejriwal said to our, we opened the Mohalla clinic in every area, and they are facility too much of 5-star type. So why the when the all on the party, some MLAs and members if ill, so why they went another country to a treatment, and why they when they forgot when the some officers came to their house and started raiding, so why they said I don't know, maybe I forget, I have some issues, so they make this type of issues. And I have also evidence, so can I present my evidence?
Yeah, you can show.
So I have evidence, CBI officer Mr. Rathore, please sir.
So this is my file.
So you are an investigation officer of this case.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Sir Rathod.
Full name?
Rathod Chaudhary.
Rathod Chaudhary. So, what you saw in this case?
Sir, he promised that he will give them.
Firstly, go and sit on the victim box.
Yes. Sorry, sir.
It's okay.
Sir, firstly, in one speech, he said, I will provide health facility.
No, you are not advocate. What you saw about corruption? Firstly, go there. That is a victim box. Yeah.
That he did more. He take more black money, and he also do more that fake speech that he said I will give them health facility, but not a health facility. He was giving only a alcohol to human. It is a very bad thing that it is very bad for the human beings. But he was giving them in very cheap rate. But he was not giving anything. Like in cylinder, in gas, he was giving in thousands rupees. But in alcohols, he was giving a very cheap rate. So it was very bad.
Sir, I have also proof if you said so. I can present for you.
Yeah, of course.
Sir, in this file, page number 22,
Yeah.
they was clearly said Kejriwal corrupt too much and they make a palace and there was a noise cancelling room, 4 room. You can openly said. And when the CBI came, so he threw out 12 iPhone and 12 iPhone, sir. Page number maybe in 23.
Yeah. There's some iPhone 13 and some iPhone 11s.
And he bet one female member, Atishi Malena, Miss Atishi Malena, and he also when he complete, so her party, his party, member again beat him and he gave her too much bad speeches on her. Thank
Okay,
you.
my lord.
You can sit.
Okay, my lord. As we see that Dr. Rathore ji said, we are just providing a cylinder in 1,000 rupees. But that money we are also spending
No,
in the
it's not
roads.
about 1,000 rupees.
So,
In that case, before time you said the Delhi peoples, there's a LPG cylinder rate is 575 when they are in power. But after some time, when AAP party get power, so the rate of cylinder in present time is 1,000 rupees, and they borrow 2,000 crore budget from central government to LPG to provide people's low cost cheap LPG. But the rate is different. Like they borrow the 2,000 crore from central government and said them from this budget we will give LPG in a cheap cost to people, but the cost is too high in papers.
okay, okay, Judge. As I'm going
It's
in my
not a
first
judge.
point. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's not a sir, it's my lord. Be in your limit.
Okay, Lord. As we see that, like, firstly, I am going in my first point. As you are just saying that we are just taking a 200 crore rupees for like a government, but as we see that 200 crore rupees we are just investing in the quality of river, quality of like a air that we are just spending. It will not be able to happen in the less time. It will take a more time to do a clean for them. And you are just talking about like we are just selling a cylinder in a thousand rupees, but that 500 rupees we are also spending in a healthcare facilities, education facility. It is also important for our economic growth for our India, for our India. For it's also a growth for our people that he is just spending that thing in a hospital, and he is also going for a beside of lake for enjoying. So it's also good for our people that he is enjoying.
Okay, listen. Where is Mr. Kejriwal?
Where is Mr. Kejriwal?
Call him in a victim box. So, Mr. Kejriwal, like, are you agree with your all corruption?
No, I am not agree because I do many funds to child laboring and many more facilities I am providing to like our peoples.
Okay, opposition?
I wanna ask some question to
Yeah.
Mr. Kejriwal. So, sir, so when CBI came your home, so why you threw your 12 iPhone?
It's not mine, it's my.
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled.
It's not my phones. Like it's like for selling. Like in our society, there is too much low people living in our society. Like they need some phones for operating, and like we are providing like poor people phone. Like as
Oh,
they study.
he directly provided.
They study.
For study, I only 12 iPhone for 12 students. And what about
No,
the student? Listen,
not
listen,
12. We are just spending on it.
Firstly, advocate will ask to you question.
Yes.
And if you want to tell something, firstly you should take permission to me.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
First 12 iPhone. When CBI officer said to him, please open your iPhone, he directly say no because I forgot my iPhone password. And second, he break the camera in their office where he banned the Aditi Malena, Miss Aditi Malena. And third is he in 2021 on November 10 he promised to the WHO Health Organization, WCED, and Women Health Child Organization also. Anganwadi workers, Anganwadi helpers, he promised, okay, close the protest, I increase your salary, but firstly, say to central government, after that I increase your salary. Central government increase 3,000 and he doesn't increase. So, sir, Anganwadi helpers and Anganwadi workers, they just 12,000 and 13,000 salary. How they run their home?
Bro, but this.
No.
May I
You
speak,
have
my
no
lord?
permission.
May I speak, my lord?
No. Where's your advocate?
Can I speak, my lord?
Yeah.
Okay, as he said that he is just spending money in a WHO. So what's this? It's a World Health Organization. It's not a case of our India. It's the case of World Health Organization. So that's why my client said he can't be spending money in a WHO because of it's a world. But we are just spending our money in a government hospitals that can be provide the poor people like medicines. It's a good for our growth that we are just facing many types of bacteria in our environment, and we are just also facing a many type of disease that we can be come out for that disease. So it's a good for a people that he is just growing in himself.
Yeah. Firstly, I apologize. I said WHO. It's WCD. Firstly, I apologize this sentence. And why he always took our health. They said our Mohalla clinic had too much facility, five-star hospital type of facility. So why all of the party members didn't go there for checkup? And when our health minister, when we talk about the health minister, and they started checking of
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled.
Mohalla clinic. So when they read there, so too much they write a name of patient, their phone number, Aadhaar number also. The one phone number repeated 50 times to more than 15 times, and patient name is different. Aadhaar number or Aadhaar number are fake. So it means they wrote by own self. And he saw a 500 plus member come in one Mohalla clinic every day.
Objection, my lord.
Objection granted.
My lord, as we see that, which type of proof does he have? He doesn't have any type of proof, and he is just talking about that type of cases for you. So it's not a case that he is just talking to you, because he must have a proof for that one case.
Have you any proof?
Yes, sir. On that file, page number 51, page number 51 to 62,
Yeah.
all over the health.
Yeah, there are many patients and their name that is repeated.
And phone number and the Aadhaar card number.
Okay, opposition, would you like to speak something?
Okay, yes, just as we see that I have also given you a many type of proof that we are also developing for a climate, for a hill areas. That's also we are just doing like a drought prone areas in 52 page number.
Yeah, this case become very crucial. Maybe I should not give judgment in first hiring. Maybe we get time for next date. So today's hiring is over and the next hiring scheduled 29 December 2026. Okay?
Thank you, madam.
That's all.
May I go, my lord?
Yeah.